Uh, Let me come to you, Pawan Verma, because you've been a close associate for Nitish Kumar. He may well create history in a few days, become the first chief minister in North India to be sworn in for a fifth time, and then have a term which could extend up to 20 years. Do you believe, as is being suggested by Yogendra Yadav, whatever the numbers are, this is not a mandate for Nitish? Knowing him, do you see him being someone who will say, look, I don't want to be chief minister of such a arrangement. I would rather now walk into the sunset?
Well, Rajdeep, the fact of the matter is Mr. Nitish Kumar must be acutely aware of it while the election unfolded and now, is that he has been done in. That's a big takeaway of this election. The close fight that you are seeing till the very end, the cliffhanger would not have been there but for the LJP factor. And statistics point to the fact that between 23 and 35 seats of the JDU were affected by the LJP, and it's something I refuse to believe that Mr. Chirag Paswan was a solo actor in this game. So obviously, Mr. Nitish Kumar, and I have not spoken to him today, must be feeling that from becoming the largest party in spite of the anti-incumbency against him, he has been reduced to the third largest party by one of the allies of the NDA with what seems to be a hand of benign benediction of the BJP.
Let me get, you're making an accusation here, suggesting it's a conspiracy theory that the BJP wanted to downsize Nitish Kumar and thereby emerge party number one and perhaps thereby control Bihar BJP. Some of us have said that even in our column writing, Jayant Sinha. Is there any truth to what Pawan Verma is suggesting? And therefore, will Nitish Kumar become chief minister of such a fractured mandate, if I am to use the word mandate and not verdict? Are you all clear on that? There's a huddle going on in his house. Do you believe that the BJP, which has got far more seats than JDU, should actually be the party which should run Bihar?
From the outset, the Honorable Prime Minister and all other senior leaders, including the party president of the BJP, have said that this election is being fought under the leadership of Shri Nitish Kumarji, and that he will be the chief minister if we are able to get the numbers. So we have been crystal clear about that. We have said that anybody who's not with the NDA, anybody who's forging their own path are on their own. And we are very clear that we have the NDA contesting in Bihar, and we are going to really support the NDA and all the NDA candidates.
But this would be, with due regards, this would be a very strange arrangement where the party which is almost twice the size of party 2 is now going to say, we'll give you the chief ministership. Let's be honest, somewhere wasn't this a Shatranj game to checkmate Nitish Kumar? Some say, use Chirag Paswan, encircle Nitish, and now call the shots in Bihar. Is that true or not? This is the only state where you don't have a BJP chief minister, only North Indian state that has never had a BJP chief minister. Could this be the moment?
Everybody is welcome to speculate, Rajdeep, and in a democracy, you have to sell newspapers, you have to push your channels. So naturally, it is interesting to speculate. But the reality is different. The reality, as I have said, has been from the beginning, we have said that we are fighting this election under the leadership of Shri Nitish Kumarji. He is the chief ministerial candidate and he will be the chief minister. And this is what the results are also showing.